Hey, how's everything going?
Pretty good, thanks. I've been really busy lately, but I'm okay. What about you?
Same here. I've been trying to get back into a routine after the holidays. It's harder than I expected.
Oh, I know that feeling. I always say I'll start fresh after a break, but then I just end up sitting on the couch.
Exactly. But I actually signed up for a gym membership last week. I'm trying to be more active this year.
Really? That's great. Do you enjoy working out?
Honestly, not that much. But I feel so much better after I go, so I'm trying to focus on that feeling instead.
That's a really smart way to think about it. I used to hate running, but now I actually look forward to it.
Wait, you run? Like outside?
Yeah. I started about 6 months ago, just short runs at first, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. Now I can run for almost an hour.
Wow, that's impressive. I could never do that.
You'd be surprised. It gets easier after the first few weeks. The beginning is the hardest part.
Maybe I'll try it. The gym is fine, but I think I'd enjoy being outside more.
You should try it. Running in the morning is amazing. Everything is quiet, and it kind of helps you think clearly.
That sounds really nice. I've been feeling a little stressed lately, so maybe that would help.
What's been stressing you out?
Work, mostly. My team is working on a big project right now, and the deadline is next month. There's just a lot to do.
What kind of project is it?
We're redesigning the company's website. It sounds simple, but there are so many details to get right.
Oh, I can imagine. Do you work in design then?
Not exactly. I'm more on the content side. I write and edit the text, and I work with the designers to make sure everything fits together.
That's interesting. I didn't know that's what you did. Do you enjoy it?
I do most of the time. I like writing and I like working with people. It's just the tight deadlines that get stressful.
Yeah, deadlines can really kill the fun. I feel the same way sometimes at my job.
What do you do again? I feel like I always forget.
I work at a school. I'm an English teacher for middle school students.
Oh, right. That must be really rewarding.
We can ask the waiter.
I think I could never be a teacher. I don't have enough patience.
Honestly, it builds over time. I wasn't very patient before either.
That's funny. So teaching taught you patience.
Something like that? You have no choice but to learn it.
Ha, that makes sense. So do you have summer plans? School must be finished soon, right?
Not yet. We still have about 2 months left. But I'm already planning a trip.
Oh, really? Where are you thinking?
I'm looking at Georgia. You know, the country, not the state.
Oh, wow. I've heard it's beautiful there. Have you been before?
No, it'll be my first time. A friend went last year and said the food was incredible and the mountains are stunning.
That sounds amazing. How long would you go for?
About 10 days, I think. Long enough to really explore, but not so long that I run out of money.
Ha, that's always the challenge. Are you going alone?
Probably with 1 or 2 friends. Traveling alone is fine, but it's more fun to share the experience with someone.
I totally agree. I went to Istanbul alone a couple of years ago, and it was great, but I kept seeing things and wishing I had someone to talk to about them.
Exactly. You want to turn to someone and say, "Can you believe this view?"
Yes, that's exactly it. Anyway, Georgia sounds like a great choice. You should definitely go.
I think I will. What about you? Any travel plans?
Not right now. I want to wait until this project is done. After that, I'd love to take a break somewhere.
You deserve it. You should plan something to look forward to. It makes the stressful weeks easier.
You're right. Maybe I'll start looking at options this weekend. Something not too far.
How about the mountains? If you like being outdoors, that could be perfect.
Actually, yes. I haven't been to the mountains in years. That's a good idea.
See? This conversation was useful. You've got a running plan and a travel plan now.
Ha, true. All I need now is the motivation to actually follow through.
That's the hard part for everyone.
Well, I should get going. I've got a meeting in about 20 minutes.
Of course, go. It was really nice catching up.
You too, and good luck with the last 2 months of school.
Thanks, and good luck with the website project. You've got this.
I hope so. Let's hang out soon, okay?
Definitely. Let's plan something for next week.
Sounds good. Take care.
You too. See you soon.